calm down. Get off. Take my dog on a walk with me. No, but not you. I'm taking the other one. You're too mean. This way. This way now. Come on. Good boy. No. I don't know. Next time maybe I should stop for a spin. Go. Here, run for a minute. Oh, the one time. Okay, that's okay. Please don't go number 2. If you're gonna go to the bathroom, just go. Come here. He's calmed down a lot, so. Good boy, Karma. When he's on the leash, he doesn't usually like react to like squirrels or anything. If he was off the leash, he would, but he's pretty good. I'm just going on a short route today because, yeah, not that he doesn't deserve the long route. It's just, you know. Just going around the block. We would be on the sidewalk, but there is no sidewalk here. So on weekends, I take him for 2 walks a day, but then on weekdays, I only take him once.